Hello, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install and configure the Satellite2Map code from the STC Center. To begin, we need to go to this green button right here that says code and download the zip file. From here, you'll be given a zip file in here, which you will unzip using extract all. It will then go to this folder with a nested folder inside with all of your required files. You would then go to Documents and drag and drop from the downloads to Documents. For example, since it is already there, you don't see any pop-up, but ordinarily it would just transfer over to the new folder. Next, you're going to want to install maps _256 NPC and move that into your folder. The code is not public. That file is not publicly available yet, but will be soon, and should be up by the release of this video. This would similarly be dragged over to the Documents folder. Next, you're going to want to open up an IDE such as Jupyter Notebooks or Visual Studio Code. What you do now is go to install your Python packages by hitting copy and pasting them right in here. It will look over all of your requirements, and in this case, they are already installed and already satisfied. Next, you're going to want to go to the third chunk, which is all the way down here towards the bottom. And change the path for the MPZ. You should be able to just shorten it like it is here, though it will begin with another file path already written. So that just needs to be a little adjusted. And once that's done, you're all set to run your notebook. So we would go up here to the top and hit Run All. This would then go overnight. And let me bring up the sample. Oops. Apologies for that. And it will show the loss for D1, D2, and the generator for each epoch. This goes on for a total of 49 times, 50 times since it starts indexing at 0, and saves the file to an H5 file, as we can see here. This can then be opened using H5 dy, I believe, which is easy to import in Python. I hope this video helped you, and have a great day.